Thank you for helping me fix the lighting. I used to do repairs, but now I'm too old.
Grandpa, you do not recognize me? I am your grandson, Chung Ming.
My grandson? Yes. I have a grandson called Chun Ming.
You have to recognize me. You almost forgot everything. Kwai, are you okay? Kwai, are you okay? Kwai, wake up!
The worker was installing a false ceiling that day. The metal frame was suspended by wires, but the wires and the metal frame were not earthed. At the moment, some metal wires of the false ceiling had come into contact with the metal casing of the fluorescent tube box. The fluorescence tube box was not earthed. Also, it somehow damaged and caused a short circuit between the electrical supply and the metal casing. Kwai was standing on a wooden ladder to check the fire service installation. His body came into contact with a nearby earthed metal pot, forming a complete leakage circuit, and he was electrocuted to death. Hey, be careful. It's very dangerous.
Grandpa, what's wrong?
During repairs, if you're careless, you'll be dead, just like my previous employee.
Grandpa, you had always followed safety rules and you worked safely until retirement. You always taught me well, so I know how to avoid an accident. The electric circuit for lighting and the fluorescent tube box should be regularly maintained to prevent electricity from leakage.
The metal casing of the fluorescence tube box should be earthed.
Grandpa, did I miss anything?
You test me? You still miss one thing. You must use a suitable working platform. This ladder is surely not safe.
I will immediately replace it with a suitable working platform. Grandpa, your memory is still very good.
Well, you were flattering me. Haven't talked with you for so long. Who are you?